CC.1, find terms of an arithmetic sequence. An arithmetic sequence is when you're either adding or subtracting the same number every single time to get to the next number. Okay, so it says type the missing numbers in this sequence. So let's see what we have. We have 15 to 25, 25 to 35, 35 to 45. So probably y'all can figure out the next two just by looking at it, which would be 55 and 65. But what if you couldn't figure it out? Well, if we know that it's an arithmetic sequence, then we look at the first two terms and we would subtract. Well, actually it helps to write down the number correctly. We write down the first two terms and we subtract them because we're going to figure out what was added each time. So we are going to add 10 every time, and that's how you do it. And so on this, yes, they're going up. If you can't figure out how much they're going up, take two that are next to each other and subtract them and get 4. So all of these are going up by 4, but what happens if I'm looking for this one? We're going to subtract 4 from 99 and get 95. So on this, we have 41. Actually, I'm going to stick with my routine, right? We have the one that's on the right minus the one that's on the left, and I get -7. So these are going down -7 every time. So 34 minus 7 is 27, but what am I going to do to be able to go to the left? We're going to add 7 to 41 and get 48. So you can keep on doing what I've been doing, so we can see the pattern like that. On this next one, it's kind of hard to see the pattern, so I'm going to pick two that are next to each other. I'm going to put the right one minus the left one. Okay, 25.25. So it's going up 20.25 this way, so I'm going to subtract 0.25. So 3.31 minus 0.2. 3.31 minus 0.25 is 3.06. And then subtract 0.25 here. 2.81 minus 0.25. 2.56. Exact same stuff. Exact same. So I'm going to take the two numbers next to each other. I'm going to take the one on the right minus the one on the left. If you do not know how to subtract fractions, then get a calculator. But we would get a common denominator. That would need a 3. That would need a 3. So that would make it 12. And 12 minus 10 is 2. So we are adding 2 over 21 every single time. So what is the next fraction? So I'm going to add 2 over 21 here. And I get 18 over 21. But that will reduce because 3 goes into both of them. 6 over 7 times. So 6 over 7 will be your answer. Luckily on this one, it already has a common denominator, so if I do 11 over 19 minus 13 over 19, I get -2 over 19. So we're going -2 over 19 every single time we're going to the right. So I'm going to do -2 over 19 one more time and get 5 over 19 from 7 over 19 minus 2 over 19.